Something I want to show you, but can I hold your attention for the next few minutes? That's the question. Time will tell. Socks and Crocs. Just trying to keep up with Japan's fall fashion, you know? Been building this bridge for a while. Hope it's done soon. First things first, a very important pit stop. Vending machines. Japan is full of them, but this one in particular, hello! This one in particular is just in the middle of nowhere. I do love me some Tropicana. The vitamins.
You know, one thing I have to say, the mouth things in Japan, they're just a little bit smaller than America, like the mouth holes.
I can feel the vitamins coursing through my veins.
It's perfect. It is a better mouth hole size than America. Japan, thank you for thinking of the details.
Yeah, we got a bit of a setting sun situation. It's gonna move on. Oh, fall, such a fleeting time. A lot of these different little garden plots, allotments you can kind of rent out, I think. Plant some vegetables. Let's not forget Japan's really cool sewer manhole covers. Different ones all across the nation. Getting closer to our destination. Ooh, flag. Here's a little kanji lesson for you. Tomare means stop. Tomare, stop. Into the sun we ride. Ta-da! This guy right there. I always thought it was some kind of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, something like that. It's actually a garbage recycling plant that doubles as a swimming pool. So yeah, the trash gets burned, and the burning of the trash heats the pool. Bye-bye, bye-bye, trash burning, pool heating building.